Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Today I have an unboxing of a new beauty box. This is the Tribe beauty box, and actually it's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be because I did sign up for this because it was supposed to have a Marc Jacobs setting spray in it, so I was expecting it to be a bigger box than this, but we are going to open it up. This is $34.99 every 2 months. So you, let's see, this is what it looks like inside. This card already fell out. So it isn't more expensive, but it is every other semester or every other month. So that helps a little bit. The first thing in here I see is in bubble wrap. It says Tribe Beauty Box on it. And it is from Ruby May Cosmetics. It says it's an eyeshadow palette. I've never heard of Ruby May Cosmetics. Have you? Let me know, because that's not a brand I'm familiar with. I think that's one of the ones that you get a discount code. So you could get 20% off if you use the code TRIBE. And then the other one that was in here is Masquerade, and it's Tribe Beauty 20. That's through the 30th of June. This one doesn't say when it expires. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of your basic everyday kind of warm tone. It has a lot, I don't know if you can see all of the fallout on it, but there's a lot of fallout everywhere. We'll swatch these really fast. They feel a little chunky. This one does not really show up there. It shows up a little better now. Uh-oh, I've run out of fingers to swatch. We'll have to clean off. They are all shimmers. That one was pretty good. Those are pretty, some of those are pretty nice. Let me grab it. I did not swatch this one yet, so that was that 5th shade. And then we will do the 6th shade on here as well. That's what that one looks like. We'll put it at the top. So overall, I think those are pretty good. I did have to dip into this one a couple times to really get some on my fingers. It does look like I didn't have a sheet next to me. So that is what we are doing right now. It does come with a little card that retails for $17, so not terribly a lot, but it is only 6 colors too. The next thing in here is a dual brow groomer, and this is also from Ruby May, and it retails for $19. So it has a spoolie on one end and then an angle on the other side. I am not I don't do brows, so that will be going in a future giveaway. Next in here we have from Marc Jacobs. It is one of their La Creme's lip balm, tinted moisture drenched lip treatment. I did not realize these were considered lip balms. Interesting. It is in the pretty pink packaging, and this is in the shade Honey Bunny. So that is what it looks like. We'll give it a swatch here. So yeah, it did take a little bit. That was built up. If you just go on once, it's pretty sheer. That's a pretty nice color. It's kind of a peachy nude. The next thing in here is for Marc Jacobs. So I was thinking that this was going to be a full size, which was part of the reason why I really wanted this box. Oh, and that lipstick retails for $22 because I was expecting, yeah, this is really small. I was expecting the full size one. Pressed down completely for fine mist. I heard stuff about this last year that you needed to press down all the way or else it kind of screwed up the mechanisms in there. So this is the Marc Jacobs Coconut Setting Mist. We'll see. Let's spray it. We'll spray it on me. That was not a fine mist. I got a glob on my forehead I could feel. And it did... there is like a glob here too. So I don't know if that's just because it was the first one and I had to spray a few times before any came out. But so this retails for $15. this size. And then finally in here are from Masquerade. Oh, and there is peanuts in the bottom of the box. Pink peanuts. These, you have 4 masks from Masquerade, and these retail for $28. I bought a couple of these at Ulta, and they are like $7 a piece, so I would say this is accurate. This first one is Pre-Party Prep, Brighten, Prime, and Energize. Then we have I Don't Want to Grow Up, Lift, Firm, and Soften Fine Lines. Then All Nighter, Awaken, Replenish, and Refresh. I need that after grading. And then Beauty Restore, Restore, Regenerate, and Repair. So these are, none of these have I tried. I've tried the one that's like the treatment one. It's a green package anyway. So that was my first box. I'm not sure, I mean, 35 is a lot. And while these two technically would equal that, this would be more than 35, it would be 22 and 15. So 37, I don't know. I probably wouldn't have picked up this palette. I definitely wouldn't have gotten the brush. I do like these masks, but they are expensive. So I think it was an okay box. Let me know what your thoughts are on this box. I have a little bit of time before the next box comes out to be able to decide if I want it or not. This one is sold out. They had a wait list and they restocked a couple times. So I will put the link down below, and what I would suggest doing is going and getting on the wait list, because it will tell you when they are going to restock and when you can subscribe again. So that's what I would do if you are interested. Let me know your thoughts though, because I'm kind of on the fence. Like, I think it was an okay box and I had some good stuff, but I don't know if it's worth the price. So let me know what your thoughts are. I hope you are all having a fantastic day. I really do appreciate you spending some time with me. If you haven't subscribed already, if you wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe button, it would mean so very, very much to me. And don't forget, I do have my 500 subscriber giveaway going on, so click over and look at that one as well. I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.